Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the watch and getting your phone ready. Charge to around 50% so the setup doesn't stall. Open the Pixel Watch app on your phone and sign into your Google account. This syncs contacts and settings. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone so the devices can discover each other. Make sure airplane mode is off on both. Tap Start Pairing in the app and match the code on the watch to confirm the secure connection. That establishes the initial link. After pairing, you configure the core settings to make the watch useful immediately. First, pick a watch face and set notification priorities. This reduces interruptions while keeping important alerts. Next, install and sync essential apps like Fitbit or Google Maps. Allow the app to access calendar and health data so steps and events appear. Once these are installed, go through app permissions and privacy options to limit background activity and battery use. This ensures smooth performance and keeps data in the places you expect. You finish by customizing tiles and gestures so the watch fits your routine. Set shortcuts for workouts, payments, and timers to save time. Then test key features. Make a call, check notifications, and take a short walk to confirm step and heart rate tracking. These quick checks verify everything is working. If something fails, first reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth and app permissions, and if problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch. This resolves most stubborn pairing or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.